Hey everyone, this is ECW from Intel Productions, and I'm going to show you, like the other video, I just showed you the Pentel side effects. I just opened my pack, and today I'm going to show you the blue one today. These are the most special pencils that I ever bought. I bought it at Walmart yesterday. So let me just show you the features. It has a tip right here, a hexagon shaped grip. It has a side clicker. You can take this part off or refill lens. Let me just put that part on. You see the name, Pentel Side Effects 2.5. And it does have an extendable eraser. Now, from what I noticed about these mechanical pencils, that these are the most special pencils that I ever bought, because one of my friends in Collision Trade, or Ronald, when I saw one of these pencils that are like Jordans from Wolf Hall, he bought those pens from Walmart and it came with extra leads. But this one doesn't, because this one's 0.5. So let me just show you an eraser test. Yeah, I know, I need to get one of my blank papers. Aha. Now I'm going to show you the eraser, writing test and eraser test. Now, this one's 0.5. Yeah, I just tried eraser. I'm writing with the Pentel Side Effects mechanical pencil with blue barrel. So let me just try the eraser test. Now, a little erase. Now, as you can see, the eraser isn't the best quality, but it's okay. See how the eraser is affected. Now, I hope you would enjoy the video of the Pentel Side Effects mechanical pencil blue barrel, 0.5 millimeter. So this is my video. So this is it for today, and now see you next time.